Are you ready to enhance your remote work setup and use IT to make your organization more scalable? Moving your applications to the Microsoft Azure Cloud Platform can save more than 80% of your IT infrastructure expenses. It sounds daunting, but you can actually plan your migration to the cloud at your own pace with confidence and first-class support from Immazanti Technologies. And then, you can enjoy the flexibility, app modernization, and security of an integrated enterprise-grade cloud platform. All with a pay-as-you-go and scalable model that responds to your fluctuating needs. In our upcoming Ask the Experts workshop, we are offering a no-charge, hands-on, immersive experience to become fully knowledgeable of everything the Microsoft Azure platform has to offer. To get the most out of these sessions, we've limited seating to 10 to 12 people. Click to learn more, and you can book your spot today. And if you need a one-on-one session, email us at info@immazanti.net.